Hello and welcome to this guided meditation. Begin by finding yourself a safe, comfortable position, sitting or lying down, whichever is best for you. But make it one free from distraction and one in which you can allow yourself to deeply relax. This self-hypnosis or guided meditation is designed to help evoke more positivity from your inner self, using the powerful law of attraction, which in simple terms means focusing on the idea that positive thoughts bring positive influences into one's life. In other words, think positive and you'll live positive. You should know that to allow hypnosis to work, you must willfully desire it to work, as all hypnosis is self-hypnosis, and it is you who brings it into effect purely by choosing to allow yourself to enter into a wonderful state of trance and deep relaxation. And now, by listening and focusing on my words, allowing the gentle music to heal and relax you, you will become more in tune with your higher self and allow your mind's eye to open that little bit further, taking you deeper and deeper into new levels of relaxation, where your subconscious mind can listen and learn and utilize the messages that I will share with you throughout this meditation. Now, if you haven't already, just allow your eyes to close down and allow yourself to fall into a deep, comfortable relaxation. Just let yourself go, expecting change, expecting good to come. In a moment, we are going to begin to take you deeper into a greater relaxation. And so now, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. And suggest to yourself that with each consecutive breath you take from now on, you will take yourself deeper and deeper into wonderful new levels of relaxation. Just take a few brief moments now and focus on the rise and fall of your chest as you continue breathing easily and gently. Be aware of how relaxed you have already become. And I'm now going to begin to count down from 10 to 1, and keeping your eyes closed, steadily and effortlessly continue to breathe in that relaxed state. And when I say the number 10, I want you to imagine that you are stood at the top of a small set of steps. 10 steps. 10 easy steps. And at the bottom of the steps, you can see the most comfortable bed you have ever seen. Its big duvet and fluffy pillows, clean and fresh. It looks so inviting, and it's all for you. It's just the right temperature, exactly what you need. And as I begin to count down, with each number, you will simply and effortlessly move down to the next step. You will enter a deeper level of relaxation. You will be a step closer to that bed, a step closer to complete relaxation. The moment I say 1, you will sink into that wonderful bed, resting your head, resting your whole body, and you will feel amazing. Relax. So let us begin. 10. You are now stood at the top of the steps, and you can see that bed. 9. Step down, feel the relaxation. 8. Another step, you are becoming more limp and loose, calmer, relaxed. 7. Your eyes are getting heavier and heavier. 6. So much more relaxed. 5. Your muscles already feeling loose. 4. Relax. 3. Releasing all tension. 2. Relax. 1. And simply sink into a calm, comfortable, peaceful position. Relaxed. So relaxed. And there is nothing for you to do now. Just completely relax. Still going deeper and deeper with each and every breath you take in this dreamlike state. And now that your subconscious mind is in a fully receptive state, I will begin to give to you examples of how you can positively change your way of thinking, but also show you that by changing your way of thinking, you'll be changing your life for the better. A key part to the law of attraction is understanding that where you place your focus in life has a direct impact on your life itself, like for like. Try to spend your days with a smile. If you want to bring happiness into your life, you must first conquer your own mind and be happy with who you are. Accept yourself for who you are. You are what you think, and you become the products of your thoughts and what you visualize. So stand guard what you allow to enter your mind. Take each experience as a self-taught life lesson, and you will soon see that positivity surrounds your everyday life. You just have to notice it. And change is progressive, and with repeated practice and positive thinking, it is well within your reach. Tell yourself that you have decided to be happier, as it is better for your health. Appreciate the wealth that you have in your life. Appreciate everything that you do have, and practice appreciation. Be thankful for this chance to be alive. Every single minute of your life is an opportunity to change for the better. And by focusing your attention to the positive, the small things become insignificant. It may be that you are looking for love, but the best way to find love is to first share your love. Focus on how you can give love, and soon you will find that it comes looking for you. The law of attraction delivers the experiences and the people that match your current state of thinking. What you are feeling and what you visualize is what you will get. So be sure to focus your attention on the right things. Be happy, and remember, sometimes you just have to be patient. What you need is on its way. Someone once said that nature never hurries, but it always arrives on time. By changing yourself and starting to look for the positive in situations, you will bring a new persona, a new aura about you. Your future is ahead of you, and each day that you are blessed awake is a new day. You do not know and can never know what this day will bring or who you will meet. The more you can focus on your dreams, your aspirations, and what they will bring to you, the quicker they will come. Line your vibrations with the positivity. Imagine what it'll be like when you have what it is that your heart desires. Whether it's money, a new job or promotion, that beautiful house, or true love. The more pleasure and joy you get when you think about having it, then the more aligned you will become with it, and the more you have that positive feeling and hold on to it, the more you can expect to be brought to you. When challenges are presented to you, Assess them. Don't bury them or avoid them. Deal with them. Learn from them. Never dwell on them. Step yourself back into alignment. Be happy. Be happy with the positive person that you have become. Be happy that you have chosen to become a more positive person. This bringing you one step closer to your dreams and desires. Now you can remain in this mindful state of relaxation for as long as you wish. And if you wish to drift off into a peaceful sleep, then just continue to rest in that deep, relaxed state, waking up naturally and only when you are ready to do so, feeling revitalized, energized, and alert. Otherwise, you may wish to wake, and to do so you need only to slowly open your eyes when you are ready, bringing you back to full reality, feeling relaxed and positive. Making your choice to bring this meditation to a close, as my voice will leave you now. Thank you for listening, and keep smiling.